Hello and welcome to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to remove the gear knob Ford Focus MK4 STLine. This one is an EcoBoost, so you can see the rear shift is over here. For the diesel engine is on the top left. So yeah, what you need to do is just turn on the left and keep turning it until it's fully out. So like this one not so great condition, but not so bad. So as you can see over here, we have this little pin that you press in and out. So if you wanna change for another one, you just turn it to the right all the way out. Now let me show you how to remove this if you have something like this. It does happen. So I would start probably somewhere from around here, maybe over here. So you need just to find the pins. So I feel over here is one. So like that. So there are, I will show you on each side one, and then there is another one somewhere around here. So basically it's just pull out. You don't want to break anything, so be careful. You take this out, put it somewhere where it's not gonna be in your way, and once you have opened it up, there is some electricity pins on each side. So you click them. Let me find where it is. Over here. So from inside. From the inside. So here is the pin. You just press it over here and take out. Same is for the other side. Again from the inside. You click it over here and then you can press out. So let me show you. So here are the pins and these are the holders. So 1, 2, 1, 2. So if you wanna put it all back together, you put the electricity pins in, and same way, click here on the top, click on the bottom, put that back, put this bad boy in, and the gear knob to the right. And when you come full circle, maybe, yeah, so it's full, so just like this. So that's about that for this one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. You can check out other videos on the channel, and if you have anything that you would like to see on the channel, write in comments and we will see if we can make it. If not, maybe some later time. So thank you for watching and see you in the next one.